What is the meaning of zero?
Hello friends, I am the parrot. Welcome to this lesson. Children, let us see what we will learn in this video. We are going to learn what is zero. Can you tell me which is the number left if all the things starts to disappear one by one? And we will also learn how do we write zero. Today, 4 of Chotu's friends have come to play at his house. Now it is getting dark. So his friends are leaving his house one by one. First there were 4 friends. Then one went home. Now there are 1, 2 and 3 friends left. Then another went to his house. Now there are 1 and 2 friends left. And then another went. Now only 1 friend is left. Finally, he too went home. So did you see? There are no friends left. In such a situation, what can you say about the number of Chotu's friends? Yes, not a single friend being there means that at this time there are 0 friends at his house. So by reducing the number of objects or people, what we are left finally is with the number 0. It is night and Chotu is eating halwa. His mother asks him to brush his teeth before sleeping. But Chotu does not listen and falls asleep. That same night he dreams that there are hot jalebis in front of him. But he is unable to eat because there is pain in his teeth. So let us see if Chotu was able to eat those sweets or not.
I will eat just one piece of jalebi, not much.
But what is this? All of a sudden, one of his 5 teeth breaks and falls down.
After breaking one of the 5 teeth, now how many teeth are left in your mouth, Chotu?
Children, can you also imagine now how many teeth are left in Chotu's mouth? Yes, of course. Let us count now. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here are 4 teeth.
4 teeth, Mom. Thank God I still have 4 teeth left. Let me taste some jalebi.
Oh no, another one of your teeth has broken.
How many teeth are left after one of the 4 teeth is broken?
Come on, let us count. 1, 2 and 3, which means there are only 3 teeth left.
Just 3 teeth. Let me quickly eat the jalebi.
As soon as Chotu opens his mouth, another one of his 3 teeth breaks and falls.
Oh no, one more tooth has broken. Now how many teeth are left, Chotu? Come on, let's count. 1 and 2.
Now only 2 teeth are left.
Now how can you eat jalebi with 2 teeth? At least drink its syrup.
As Chotu opens his mouth, another one of his 2 teeth breaks and falls. How many teeth are left now?
Yes, there is only 1 tooth left. Chotu stands up terrified, and then suddenly the only tooth in his mouth also breaks.
Chotu, one by one all your teeth have broken. So how many teeth are left in your mouth now?
0 tooth. Not a single tooth is left.
Frightened Chotu wakes up and runs to his mother.
Mom, all my teeth have broken. Not a single one is left. 0 teeth are left. See this.
You must have had a dream, Chotu. But if you don't brush twice a day, one by one all your teeth will get spoiled and there will be 0 teeth left in your mouth.
Mom, now I will definitely brush twice a day.
So friends, did you enjoy learning about zero? So that was all for today. Let us revise what all we have learned today. When we reduce things till we do not have a single thing left, then we say we have left with 0 thing. In the next video, we will look at some more examples to understand zero better. Till then, goodbye friends.